Assisted zonal hatching, AZH. This is a process where we take embryos that are going to be implanted shortly into the uterus, transferred, are manipulated in such a way as to help them implant. As you know, in an egg, there's an outer shell. As in a chicken egg, there's an outer hard shell. And that shell in the embryo, what it's called the zona, can be weakened and allows the embryo to attach to the wall of the uterus. You may remember in elementary school when you hatched chicks in the classroom and you saw the egg sort of starting to bounce around, the teacher might have come over and tapped on the eggshell to help the chick escape. In many ways, it's very similar. The embryos are transferred and a small defect is made in the wall and it allows them to attach. It can be done with a laser, it can be done with a probe, and it can be done with an acid as well. We know that by doing assisted hatching, there are significantly increased chances of it implanting and giving you a positive pregnancy test.